Trans-America Trail, day 25. Today was pretty much a maintenance day. We're here in Salt Lake City. We've got a lot of bike issues we had to take care of, so we jumped off the trail, came up to Salt Lake to a friend's house, and went to Rocky Mountain ATV warehouse. They had a big warehouse just south of Salt Lake City. And we got a lot of work done today, didn't we, Jake?
We did.
What
Run
we
you
do?
through it?
Yeah, what we do?
All right, we got clutch cable. Check. Functioning clutch. We got a new shift lever. The other one was basically straight. We got rear tires. We got a new rear rotor. We got new brake pads.
Air filters.
We cleaned and oiled our air filters.
Oil change.
Oil change, oil filter change. I think that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah. And then we went for a little spin with Steve
Yep,
through the
shake
canyons of Salt Lake City up to, what was that, Cottonwood?
Brighton was the resort.
Brighton.
Yeah, Cottonwood.
We went through Cottonwood up to Brighton Ski Resort. Really fun little rip through the canyons. We were trying to keep up with Steve on his R6.
His Canyon Slayer.
That didn't work out too well. We're in a car today. This is weird. Monday. It's Monday.
Today is broken clutch day.
Yeah, Jake broke his clutch cable yesterday, so we came up to Salt Lake City.
See it? It's just too strong.
That hand is just
Too strong.
too strong. So we came up to Salt Lake City last night, stayed with our good buddy Steve. He's got a little garage we can use, some tools.
Bumming his car.
We're using his car. He's come through for us here, big time. So we're getting some Chick-fil-A. We're heading down to Rocky Mountain ATV MC warehouse, try to get a bunch of parts. Chick-fil-A for breakfast.
Awesome. Thank
Did
you.
you want your receipt?
No thanks.
All right, have a nice morning.
All right, you too. Dang, wasn't even their
Wasn't.
pleasure.
Well, we got to have a nice morning anyway.
We got that. Yeah, that's right. It'll be a nice morning.
It'll be a nice morning. Gonna be.
Hey, anytime you make it to Chick-fil-A before they quit serving breakfast, that's a good morning.
Rocky Mountain ATV MC warehouse. Rocky Mountain ATV mothership.
Yeah, trailside repairs are needed.
Better off just going with like a Tusk one.
Yeah.
This one's cheaper, but it's I don't know.
Looks funky too.
Here, clutch cable, shift lever, two oil filters, one set of brake pads.
So we're just chilling here at the Rocky Mountain ATV MC headquarters. Get a bunch of parts.
It's a dangerous place to be for anyone with a motorcycle.
This is a very dangerous place to be. Yeah, it's you can spend a lot of money here really fast. Yeah, they got this nice little waiting area. Playing last week's motocross race. Pretty cool. Back to the sunshine shining.
So like if you're towing stuff and you need like a big energy output or a bunch of torque, that would kick in and push you. Interesting.
Maintenance day on the CRs. Jake's got a new clutch cable. This is the old one. There it is. This is the old one. Not a good look. Little ball popped off of it. So we got the Rocky Mountain ATV this morning. Got a new clutch cable put on. It's working now. Oh yeah. Got oil changed. Cleaning air filters. Jake got a new shift lever put on. Look at that. Woo! Fancy. Putting brake pads on the back of my bike. Then we're gonna swap tires. Got these bad boys to put on. Kenda. What are these, Jake? Kenda what?
K270.
Kenda K270. A little more 50-50 tire. Not too aggressive, but should get us by the rest of the trip. Got about 1,000 miles left to go, right, Jake? That's what I said.
Like 1,100 maybe?
1,100 miles left. Steve's been gracious enough to let us use his garage. This is much better than a parking lot to work in. Wouldn't you say, Jake?
Oh, if we were working in a parking lot right now, I think I'd go home.
We on a plane.
Could be on a plane headed to the house. Okay, the Metzler is off. Not much left on it. As you can see, the tread is pretty well gone. We had some knobs on the side coming off too, like that. And the Kenda is going on. Yeah, this thing's not waterproof. Yeah, well it is, but I had to take the side case off, side cover off to put a microphone on it. So now it's not waterproof.